What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing David Sakic Razz. Nice little throwback in the game. So we're gonna go live. We're live at 5:12. It's 5:12 here in Denver. I'm gonna grab this list. We got Dave on top, Keith on the bottom. Dave on top, Keith on the bottom. We'll get a fresh list. Dave on top, Keith on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we are going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Keith on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 5:13. It's 5:13. Guys, third and final. Good luck, everybody. Keith, spot 2. Congratulations, buddy. God dang, I can't get this timestamp. And that timestamp is in at 5:13. It is 5:13 again. Keith, 3 times. Congrats.